Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making 15-minute aloo puff patties, crispy layered pastry filled with flavorful potato stuffing. This quick homemade puff is perfect for tea time or evening snacks. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well until the mixture becomes crumbly. Add 1/3 cup water and make a tight dough. Aloo patties are one of the most popular bakery snacks. Make the dough slightly tight for better layers. Rub some oil on the dough and keep aside to rest. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, 1 teaspoon crushed cumin, 1 green chili. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, and half teaspoon chaat masala. Chaat masala adds tangy and street style flavor. Add 1/4 cup boiled green peas and 1 tablespoon water. Now add 2 boiled mashed potatoes and mix well. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. And allow the mixture to cool completely. Now divide the dough into 5 equal portions and roll each piece. Now make a slurry. Add 2 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well. Spread oil corn flour mixture on each roti. And place them one over another. Layered dough creates the puff pastry texture. Fold as shown. Cut the edges and divide into 9 equal portions. Add the potato mixture. Potato fillings are loved in many snack recipes. Allow potato filling to cool before stuffing. Apply water at the edges and fold into triangle shapes. Seal the edges properly to prevent opening. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for crispy patties. Potatoes provide energy and carbohydrates. Green peas add fiber and vitamins. Homemade snacks allow better oil control. Fresh spices enhance flavor naturally. Your crispy aloo puff patties are ready, perfect for tea time or evening snacks. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy snack recipes.